So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to copy message from Messenger. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the Messenger app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it, and this is the inbox of your Messenger. Now scroll down or tap on message whose message or which message you want to copy. So I'm tapping here. Now tap on the message you want to copy. Then you can simply see the option of copy on the lower side of your screen. So tap on it and see your message has been successfully copied from Messenger. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.